Hello, I'm olivetech on the group Facebook Science olivetech. Today we are talking on last discoveries about universe. The James Webb Telescope is a marvelous tool. Personally, I hope that we could see more details and learn fundamental things, but I doubt. In fact, that what could calculate the James Webb Telescope is in an area of space, just a little part. The different movement between gas mass, for example, at the peripheral of the galaxies, just for to see, is very several levels of gravity. Is a question that I personally interested in. The differences level of gravity is integrated in my theory, the theory of olivetech, the effect. For to see that, it's not easy to calculate the new movements, not the galaxy in rotation, but the slow movement axial between groups of mass gas, and calculate their volumic mass and integrating the heat in a one equation, just one equation. In that procedural things, we could see a new meaning of observing the gravity. In my mind, there is several levels of gravity. Yes, it's a new thing, the levels of gravity. But what I say in olivetech, the theory, the effect, is perhaps the reason of the black matter. It's perhaps the reason of the black matter holds. And the most of black holes, because black holes are not always big objects in the universe. There is a lot of little black holes. The little black holes is a new. Let's see that some of black holes are very little and have a number mass and make push in the matter all around. These sort of black holes are new generated in an area where there is more gravity than the place aside. It's probably yes. This last question is very interesting to determine. It's the core of the problem. Non-solved of the gravity. For to conclude, I invite you to think about the question on the different level of the gravity. You know that word, the levels of gravity. It's perhaps what is to mean at the place of black matter. In my mind, black matter no exist, and so on. The second point that I have elaborate is that there is probably in the universe convergent point of gravity due to the mix of the gravitational waves, like when it appeared accelerate waves on the surface of the oceans, accelerate waves and other waves. I think that there is sometimes accelerate point gravity. In that condition, it is not surprising that since last sophisticated telescope, we can see lots of little black holes with great mass. Black holes are not only ordinary stars, they are convergence points. It's over for today. The last time there was another object. You can see me on Facebook olivetech Science. Thank you.